Everyone, it is that time of the week for the weekly giveaway. This is the week starting the 18th of February, and I have got this video up early this week so that you've got longer to enter, for those of you that sometimes miss out, because I have been putting up late. So this is the weekly giveaway. This is what is up for grabs this week. All you have to do is comment below this video, and someone will be somewhere. Say it, spit it out, Channelle. I will use the random picker on next Monday, which will be the 25th, to let you know who has won. So let me show you what's in the goodies this week. So I have added some ruffles this time. I'm trying to give you, if you probably noticed from the giveaways, I'm trying to give you more and more little bits and pieces to put into journals. So I have got some of these ruffles that I have made. A little assortment of fabric ruffles. Oh no, don't want to sit down. So we've got some silk here. All different fabrics. So we've got these ruffles, and then I have these little bags that I have made. There's a little flower one from a flower book, and just some plain brown ones, which was from an old paper bag. So there's 3 of those. There is a book page envelope there as well, which you can decorate up. So there's those, and I have this tag pocket, stuffed tag pocket that is full of goodies here. So let's take all of your bits out of here, and let me show you what you've got here. So this is the tag pocket, and this was I had made some tags in that for a journal that I'd recently made, and this was a bit too big to go in it. So it has a lovely lace pocket there, lovely lace pocket, and it's Sense and Sensibility from an old Jane Austen book. And it's just, you can, you know, do what you want with the back, but you could cover it in some tea-dyed paper or whatever, and then you could be able to use it as a journal spot. And then I have one of these book page bookmarks, just, you know, lovely decorated there. So we're going to pop that back in there. Get it back in, there you go. And then these are from some dies that I have. It's just, you could use it as a tuck spot, stick it to the page and use it as a tuck spot. So we've got that. We've got one of the little Tim Holtz paper dolls as well there. Let's pop him in there and that in there. This is just an old die cut from a paper pack, a card making pack, but I thought it was very pretty. I'm not sure where that went now. I think that went in there somewhere, so we'll just, maybe I did it the other way around. Oh, I don't know now which way we had this. I didn't want to cover her face up. Oh, anyway, might pop that in there. And then we have this lovely little printout, a couple of tickets, a cut out vintage flower, and this lovely Rupert Bear from a vintage book paper bag pocket thingy there. So that is what's up for grabs this week. Lots of goodies for your journals, etc. Right, so all you have to do is put a comment below, and you have a week to enter. So good luck, everyone. Hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.